Windscreen replacement Melbourne. Has your car windscreen been hit by wreck? Stone chips are an extremely common occurrence, especially in areas where large trucks on the road are present, or where roadworks are being carried out. While some stone chips are just cosmetic nuisances, others affect the driver's vision, or become larger irreparable cracks with the elements affecting the area of damaged glass over time. The question now is, should you repair your windscreen or replace it? First of all, let's explain the role of your vehicle's windscreen and its safety aspects. First and foremost, you need to be able to see through your vehicle's windscreen. With that said, many states have laws stating at what point your windscreen will need to be replaced or repaired. Typically, there is a section of your windscreen that is classified as the critical vision area, which is the part of the windscreen located approximately 300-400 mm directly in front of the driver's seating position, and extends the full height of the windscreen. In most cases, a stone chip or crack outside this area can be repaired given the damaged area is no larger than 50 mm in diameter. Typically, a repair cannot take, if it is within the critical vision area. The windscreen is one of the main structural components of your vehicle, and is integrated into airbag deployment. For example, the front side airbags are designed to bounce off your vehicle's windscreen, while inflating in a poorly fitted windscreen can pose serious safety concerns in the event of an accident. The deployment of an airbag will easily push out an improperly fitted windscreen, losing strength in the roof structure, and exposing occupants to the threat of being thrown from the vehicle. Stone chip repair versus windscreen replacement. Because of all safety aspects involved, you may, or may not have a choice about opting for a repair. If the affected area breaches any of the strict safety guidelines, loss of critical vision, structural integrity, it will need to be replaced. Windscreen replacements will need to follow strict motor safety standards. A government-approved MRB licensed technician must carry all replacement. The adhesive urethane and glass must comply with CSI Australian standards, and the vehicle must be stationary until the safe drive-away time associated with the urethane use has been reached. Look for a quality automotive glass company that implies safe installation procedures. In most cases, repairing your vehicle's windscreen will cost a lot less than a full replacement. Keep in mind that on the odd occasion, repairs can fail from containing the damaged area to crack and run off. In this case, generally a good automotive glass shop will take the cost of the repairs off the full replacement cost. Your car's front windscreen is a fundamental safety aspect of your car, representing up to 30% of the structural makeup of the vehicle. In the event of a low-speed impact, the driver's or passenger's airbag is designed to activate in a split second and deflect off the front windscreen, cushioning the occupants. If the front windscreen is not installed using the correct procedures and the correct products, then there is a chance that the force of the airbag deployment could eject the windscreen from its aperture, rendering the airbag useless and causing untold injuries to the occupants. A reputable windscreen replacement company should be able to ask you the relevant questions to be able to determine the type of windscreen that you have. The options are, but not limited to, clear glass, tinted glass, solar-coated glass, acoustic glass, heated screen, heated wiper area only, top tinted, rain sensor, light sensor, defogging sensor, self-dimming interior mirror, lane departure warning, and heads-up display. The glass we use for your car is OEM glass, conforms to all British standards, and is exactly the same as the one used when your car rolled out of the factory. When the windscreen technician arrives at your house, they should first check that the windscreen they have brought is a direct replacement, like for like, and that they have any necessary clips and trims that may be required to complete the job to the highest possible standard. After the replacement windscreen has been checked for conformity, the technician should then inspect the customer's vehicle for scratches and visible defects, pointing these out to the customer before commencement. All prone areas of the vehicle should be sufficiently heated or masked up. This is including, but not limited to, the seats, bonnet, wings and A-pillars. Any internal and external trims, clips and fittings are removed to provide an uninterrupted view of the outer edge of the old windscreen. Windscreen technicians vary in their windscreen removal methods, some opting for the fast knife method and some opting for the cheese wire method, or a combination of both. Whichever method is chosen, the experienced technician should be able to remove the old damaged windscreen with minimal further damage caused. After removal and safe disposal of the old windscreen, the technician has to trim back the polyurethane bonding that the windscreen was previously bedded onto. This is the glue that holds your windscreen in place. This is trimmed back, leaving approximately 1 mm thickness on the aperture. Any scratches caused by the removal of the windscreen, or cutting back of the polyurethane beading is treated with a special primer or activator. Any rust spots on the aperture are rubbed down and also treated with primer or activator depending on the type of polyurethane product used. Windscreen replacement. Melbourne.